This video shows the TCP range of preset clicker torque wrenches. This tool offers a cost-effective production solution for a suitably trained and skilled operator. The TCP models are ideal for production use. They are designed for accuracy and repeated torque application in environments from aerospace, oil and gas through to automotive. There is no calibrated scale on the TCP wrench, and the tool must be preset on a torque analyzer, like the QTC 320 shown here. Adjustment is easily made using a flat-bladed screwdriver. Clicker wrenches indicate that the set torque has been reached through both an audible click and an impulse felt by the user. Each wrench is supplied with a certificate of calibration. TCP models cover a range from 2 to 200 Nm and feature a 16mm spigot drive for use with a wide variety of easily interchanged accessories. This range includes open and ring jaws, plus square drives and ratchets. For more information about the TCP range, please visit our website at www.torqueleader.com.